Hindi man dumating sa atin ang panahon. Okay? Sir Jabi, shake, shake, shake. Differentiate tayo ngayon. Y is equal to ln over, ln quantity of sin x. Now, ang gagawin natin dito, mag-a-address tayo ng confusion coming from our follower. Kasi, in my previous discussion, I already discussed how to differentiate kapag mayroon tayong natural logarithmic function or ln. Okay, sinabi ni Sir Jabi before, ito yung confusion nila. Di ba? For example, we have y is equal to ln x. Ang formula kasi nito, ang derivative kasi nito, dy over dx, that is equal to 1 over u times u prime. Ang sinabi ni Sir Jabi sa previous discussion niya, ang formula is u prime over u. That is still the same. Kapag i-multiply natin yan, u prime over u yung sagot natin. Tama? Tingnan natin, ito yung u natin, yung x. O, let u natin si x. Kapag kukunin natin derivative ni u, that is still 1. Derivative ng x is 1. Kapag substitute natin yan, u prime natin, 1 over x. Tama? Therefore, ang derivative ni ln of x is 1 over x. Ito yung confusion nila. Huwag kayong malito, okay? Okay. Now, dito Sir Jabi, yung given natin, ln of sin x. Tama? Dito, ang u natin is hindi x, but sin x. Di ba yung formula niya, for example, gagamitin natin ito, 1 over x. 1 over u. Okay? Times u prime. Because we let u as x. This one. Huwag kayong malito, okay? Now, kapag i-simplify natin yan, that is still u prime over u. Tama? So, mayroon tayong u is equal to sin x dito. Tama? Okay. Anong derivative ng u prime natin? Sin x. Derivative ng sin x is cosine x. Tama? Now, ang gagawin natin dito is substitute lang natin yan. Okay? For example, 1 over u natin sin x. Para hindi malito, times u prime. Kasi chain rule ito. O, i-simplify natin yan. Dy over dx, cosine x times 1, that is cosine x over sin x. Or that is equal, that is the quotient identity of cotangent x. Therefore, ang sagot natin dito, cotangent x. Yung first derivative natin ng y is equal to ln of sin x, ang sagot natin, cotangent x. I hope na-clarify natin yung part na ito. Okay? Shake lang tayo dito, Sir Jabi.